Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. No matter how hard you try, you can never remember how your dream started. In the United States, sitting on a sea turtle is a third-degree felony. Dwayne Johnson set a new Guinness World Record for the most selfies taken in 3 minutes. Employees of Ferrari are not allowed to buy Ferrari cars. The peak of Chimborazo is the point on Earth closest to the Sun. A patient once received a heart transplant from a suicide victim. If you're out in the woods and hear a baby crying, then it is the work of a creature called Tianak. Your height is generally determined by your father. Intelligence, emotional strength, and body shape is determined by the mother. There is a place in Bongaigaon, Assam, where river Champavati meets Brahmaputra, and the scene represents our India map. It is believed that lines on your palm can say something about your future. This is not true. This stretches the hips, hamstrings and calves, strengthens and thighs and knees, keeps your spine strong and flexible, reduce stress, anxiety and depression. It took 200,000 years for the human population to reach 1 billion. Then it took 200 years for it to reach 7 billion. This is a lake in Australia that grows algae that is used for making dyes. This is the perfect way and a better idea to prevent water pollution. A statue of Jesus in India had water mysteriously dropping from its toes. You can test your thyroid health. A science teacher from rural Kenya who donates most of his salary to help poorer students has been crowned the world's best teacher and awarded $1 million prize. An aerial view of the Blue Dragon River in Portugal. Americans work 137 more hours per year than Japanese workers, 260 more hours than British workers and 499 more hours than French workers. This is a Venezuelan podal moth, its newly discovered species. If you're born in between 1990 to 1999, then you have lived in 3 decades, 2 centuries and 2 millenniums, and you are not even 30 years old yet. Marrying your best friend will reduce the chances of getting divorced by 70%, and it is most likely to last a lifetime. The Centennial light is the world's longest lasting light bulb, burning since 1901 in California. Doing this pose for 5 minutes a day, it's super calming for the mind, it's great for digestion. When you put a snake plant in your room, you have a natural air purifier. When you do this stretch daily, this is the area that causes stiffness and lower back pain from lack of stretching. The higher your IQ level, the easier it is to resist peer pressure. Rum cures sore throat. Brandy slow down aging. English has only one word for love. Sanskrit has 96. When Albert Einstein met Charlie Chaplin, Einstein said, "What I most admire about your art is your universality." Having one lazy day per week can help reduce stress, high blood pressure, and stroke. Photographer catches dragon lizard playing leaf guitar in Indonesia. According to a study, friendships with people having awkward personalities last longer than the others. There is a tropical glass tree frog of which you can see the organs inside. Champagne boosts heart health. Red wine cures hypertension. A seal was abandoned in her colony because she is ginger. Tequila regulates cholesterol. The Malasana pose stretches the thighs, groin, hips, ankles and torso. This traveler t-shirt with 40 icons lets you communicate in any country even if you don't speak its language. Bear Grylls wanted to join the Indian Army after he completed his schooling. There is no single food that provides all the nutrients that humans need except for breast milk. NASA will pay you $15,000 to lay on bed for 19 days measuring the effects of zero gravity on your body. Thanks for watching.